What's going on, guys? Seancutshair back with another video. Guys, it's Thursday. I'm filming this Thursday morning before I drop the video. For those of you who don't know, I'm not sure what everybody's situation looks like. I've been in Kentucky. We've been ordered to stay home, so I'm not going to be at the shop for the next, who knows how long. I am curious to know, guys. Leave me some comments down below where you're at and what it looks like for you. I know a lot of my buddies throughout the country are shut down. So this is a tough time for all of us. We're all self-employed and this is how we pay our bills. So you guys let me know what's going on in your neck of the woods. I'm gonna make the most out of it. I got a couple videos on deck to put out for you guys. And I'm gonna try to film some content. I might even go live next week. So if you guys think you'd like to see me go live, maybe like Thursday night at 7 instead of dropping a video, I may go live and you guys can ask questions. Let me know what you guys think of that. But anyway, guys, I'm going to keep at it with what I got. I'm going to try to put up content for you guys throughout all this. I hope the best for all of you guys, and hopefully this stuff clears up and we'll be back to normal soon. So you guys check out this video. Let me know what you like. Make sure you subscribe. Going fast, 2,200 already. We're going to be at 3,000 in no time. So without further ado, get to the video. Alright guys, I'm going to jump right into this video. This is one of my clients, Carter. You guys can see he hasn't had a cut in a while. He goes to college about 3 hours away from me and always waits till he comes back into town to see his family to get a cut. So, that's loyalty to his finest. I've been cutting his hair for multiple years. Super cool to see him coming back from college and getting a cut. So I want you guys to pay attention to how I section this hair. Something I notice a lot of the times. You guys have trouble sectioning hair. This is one of the things my barber school teacher did teach me. If you guys saturate the hair well, use kind of a wide tooth comb and comb that forward. It'll give you some deep lines in the hair. Then you stick your comb down in there and you can part it real easy. So for a hard part or for doing this block graduation, it's going to make it super easy. You guys can see we're doing some block graduation all the way around the head. After we get this done, we'll part the other side. I want you guys to pay attention again to how we part that. You guys can put that to use in your everyday. So just pay attention here. Take the comb, create some big grooves for the comb to fit in. And then we can split that hair perfect. And you guys can see we'll continue with this block graduation on this side until we meet in the back. Guys, so what we're going to do is split the hair down the middle. We'll take the length from the top over to the guide that we just created. That's going to create a balanced haircut so that no matter how he styles this, his hair cannot hang past the guide that we created. And then we'll take all that hair up on the top and make sure that it's square all the way across the top. That's going to create us a balanced haircut. Now he doesn't want this longer. He likes to leave it as long as possible so he can just kind of wear it long and messy. But we are going to clean it up, so we'll take it to our guide here, and then we're going to take it up on top, and you'll see our short length to the left of the screen that we're watching, and then you'll see we're going to bring that square across with some point cutting and bring that across to the middle. It's pretty cool, guys. The town that he lives in is one of our biggest towns. It's where the University of Kentucky is. And I'm not knocking any of the guys there, but just to show you guys, what some loyalty brings and what, having a relationship with your clients. There's definitely some barbershops in Lexington, and even an hour from him on the way to Owensboro, where I live. There's plenty of shops there, yet he still waits to come all the way home back to Owensboro to get a haircut from me. And that's just from the relationship that we created over the years, guys. So I've been cutting this guy since he was in high school, and now he's actually not taking classes right now, but he has a full-time job and doing his thing in Lexington. So cool to see him when he comes back into town. Right now, guys, we're going in. We're going to clean this fringe up. Like I said, he's going to wear it messy, so we're just trying to make this kind of straight and even all the way across. Now we'll blow dry it, and then we'll go in and do the sides. You guys see I'm going to kind of just shake it out and dry it. I'm going to hit the back of the head here to get his crown spinning in the right direction, and then we'll go in and fade the sides. So like normal, we're going to start with a 4 closed. That's going to give us our canvas. So I'll take a 4, I'll go right into that block graduation, and that'll set us up for our fade. Going with our Slimline Pro, and set our ball guideline. You guys can see where the weight is, where we set the block graduation, and how it drops in the back. So we'll take the ball guideline just over the ear and drop it in the back to follow that shape that we created. Follow that up with the shaver and make sure it's all the way skinned, and then we'll start with our open section. Alright, so we're going with our wall cordless senior. We're going to set our open section. We're going to go up about 3/4 of an inch in the same shape that we created our guidelines. Start our open section, and then we'll start to fade that out from the bottom, guys. So we'll come in again with a Slimline Pro at the bottom. Since we started, we punched our line in with the Slimline. We're going to scoop it out with the Slimline. And above that, we'll start with the clipper closed. And then anything else that's left, we'll come in with our clipper half open and clean that up. Before we move on, guys, I received a couple messages this week. A lot of you guys reach out to me, and I do my best to keep up with DMs and emails. Something I've realized as I get some questions from you guys that a lot of you guys are doing, something I did when I started, your half guard and your 1.5 guard are not designed to do a whole section. So as you can see, we did our open section. Now we're going in with an open 1. And within this step, our steps are going to be an open 1, closed 1, and a half guard, half open at the bottom. And that's a mistake you guys can make. If you use your half guard for a whole section, you're really going to stretch out that gray shade that's between the dark hair and the light hair. You're not going to get a consistent blend. You're going to have a lot of that gray shade that we're using our 1 guard and our half guard, and we're gonna have some of that. But if we use the half guard for our whole section, we're gonna have too much of that. So within this area, you can see, guys, it blended out nice. Open 1, closed 1, half guard, half open. Same with the 1.5, guys. You shouldn't go. Your next step after this should not be the 1.5 guard. It should be your 2, and we'll do an open 2, closed 2, 1.5, just like we just did. So open 1, closed 1, half guard, and then we'll go to 2, open 2, closed 2, 1.5 guard. So if you guys are using those as a whole step, that's really what's going to make your fades not turn out right, and that's why you're seeing some areas that are kind of stretched out with too much of the same shade. So the idea is to stretch this out in the right amount of space to get every length within those guards. So you shouldn't be using your half and your 1.5 for a whole section. You guys can see this is working out nice. So I have my 1.5 taking out the rest of this line, and anything that's left will come back in with our 1 open, and we'll be done with this side. Guys, we'll go on this other side and we'll do the same steps. Start off with our 4, then we'll set our ball guideline and fade our way up. Like I said, guys, please leave me a comment down below if you think it would be cool if I did a live stream. Next Thursday, I don't have any content filmed as of now. I have a video for Monday already filmed. I'm going to work on the voiceover after this. But for Thursday, I don't really have a video, so if you guys think it'd be cool, I may go live. I wasn't ever sure if I had enough people that would watch it, but if you guys leave me some feedback and let me know that you will be on, I'll do it at 7 o'clock Central. That is the time I usually drop. If you guys think that's a good idea, we'll go ahead and do that. I'll just go live, answer some questions, just sit and chop it up with you guys. So now that I'm getting a little more of a following, it might be something we can do. I just didn't really want to get on there and have nobody on there interested. So you guys let me know down below if that's something you want to see. Of course, you guys know with all this the coronavirus stuff going on, my shop is closed and I'm home for the meantime. I'm probably not going to cut much hair, so I'm not sure if I'll have any videos for you guys. I may pull some clips out of a video and throw something together, but I need to be creative. So if you guys have any ideas on what I can put out, please let me know. If you think the idea of the live stream is cool, we can do that as well. So guys, give me some feedback. We're going in on this side just like before. We did our bald section, now we're doing our open section, and we'll fade that out. I also had a question, guys, as you can just see right there. If you don't scoop out as you're putting your guidelines in, you will have to use that same clipper or guard to take that line out. So you guys can see as I was putting in my open section, I was scooping that out at the top. And that's also something that can really help you guys as you do these fades. If you scoop it out, you're gonna have a lot easier time getting that line out than if you punch it in. Same thing here, guys. We're going in with an open one and try to lightly put that guideline in. And then we'll come in right after that with a closed one. Whatever's left of that line, we'll take out with a half guard. Guys, I do want to touch real quick, for those of you who are still working, a lot of guys around the country are closed and are not able to work, myself included. One thing you guys can really do that helps, if you guys watch my videos, if you guys didn't know, I am monetized as of now. I'm not making big money or anything, but it does add up. So for every minute that you watch my videos, it helps. If you give them thumbs up, leave comments, all of that tells YouTube that it's good content and helps get it out there. So if you guys support me, you guys want to do me a favor, go back, watch some of my videos you haven't watched, leave some comments, go hit the thumbs up button on all the videos, whatever you can do, and hopefully that will raise my my views and all that on the videos, and I will get my first YouTube check at the end of this month. I'm super excited. Guys, don't worry, it's not for very much, but it is exciting to get there, and that's something you guys can do to help. As well, if you guys haven't bought a color card, that is something you guys can do. I am still shipping as of now, so if you guys haven't bought one yet, that would really help me out as I'm sitting at home not making any income right now. So if you guys were to go buy one, that would really help out. Again, guys, I appreciate all of you that watch my videos. The channel's growing super fast. I'm super pleased with what we got going on. So I'm going to style him out right now with some Tomb45 indestructible clay. I like to put that in deep to the root, guys, and then I'll come back in with a comb, kind of comb it down to get it laying back down before we do the final style. We are going to go in and add a little bit of Tomb45 powder. His hair is so long, it's kind of wanting to lay flat, so some of that powder will help that lift a little bit, give it a little more texture. Alright guys, here's the finished product. I hope you guys like it. Leave me a comment down below, let me know what you think. I appreciate all you guys watching these videos. I'll do my best in this time as we're sitting at home to keep you guys entertained and keep some content coming out. And make sure you guys subscribe and hit that like button. I appreciate you guys, and we'll catch you next time. If you guys aren't subscribed to my channel, make sure you click this link right here. If you want to check out some more content from me, check out this video right here. Appreciate it.